As flu and respiratory illness season continues, the Division of Public Health is announcing that flu, RSV, pneumonia, COVID-19 vaccines, as well as all other routine vaccinations, are available at DPH Clinics for Delawareans 6 months and older. Routine vaccines on the Centers of Disease Control and Prevention's immunization schedules can be found at a link in the video description. Residents with insurance may be charged a co-pay at the time of services, depending on their coverage. A list of DPH clinics located within some state service centers, located in all 3 counties, can be found at another link in the video description. Vaccinations at DPH clinics are available by appointment, and walk-in availability may vary by site. Delawareans are encouraged to contact their preferred location to confirm hours and services. Many vaccinations are also available at doctors' offices and pharmacies. DPH encourages uninsured and underinsured residents to take advantage of vaccination options available at DPH clinics, which serve as community health hubs and provide a range of preventive and wellness services. Many vaccine-preventable diseases, including measles and pertussis, remain active threats, particularly to children, older adults, pregnant individuals, and people with chronic health conditions. Staying current with vaccinations remains one of the most effective ways to protect both individuals and entire communities.